Hello YouTube, what it do? This is Jacobitz Online here coming at you with another video teaching you how to set up your green screen for your StreamLabs OBS so that you have no background on you. This is the background that I have. As you can see here, I just ended up screwing it into the wall behind my computer here. So this is the background that I have. It's literally a 6x9 green screen right there, and it's just there's nothing protecting it whatsoever. It's just hanging there in the background, as you can see. And then as well, if you were wanting a little bit better one, if you had more money, I figured I can make what I had work, but this would probably be a lot easier for somebody to have to set up with, as well, making sure that you have more uniformity. As you can see in the background here, there is a little bit of a color change for this. And as well, when we're trying to set up this green screen, you want to make sure that everything is as well lit and how it is going to be stationary every time. So I have my ring light here already set up, and I have a light here in the backdrop so that the green screen is always going to be as colorful as it can be. So what I first of all do is I have a thing here that I use to, here, let me move it over now. Let me move StreamLabs over. So here's what I have. I have LightShot. It's a screenshot capturer, and the reason that we're going to be doing this is so that I can do this. And I'm going to save a picture here, screenshot. Then I'm going to go over here. You try to find a hex code, a picture, hex code from a picture. We're going to upload the file that we just took right here, which is this. And we're going to try to find the most uniform hex code that we can find. So there's that. That's a pretty good one right there. You can move it around. But see, as there's wrinkles here, and I'm gonna eventually crop this to be about where my head is and everything. So I like to do that, take that there, and then we're going to go to the video capture device, filters, plus, go down here to chroma key. And as you can see, it kind of does an okay job from the get-go of just green, but we're gonna click custom here. This is hex. Put that hex in, and then you want to figure out the similarity. So we're going to fix the similarity quite a bit here. I don't know why it started that insane from the get-go, but you also can see here that I'm losing my sweatshirt. So as you can see there, you can toy with it. I know that that's completely blacked out still, so that's fine. And that looks about good. Then we're gonna work on the smoothness here. Basically, as you can see, as you put the smoothness so high up too as well, you're losing a little bit of your fringe here on the hair and on the corners. I'm gonna turn this down to where we feel comfortable with it. And that looks pretty good to me. So that's good. I mean, you can switch this. What this is gonna do is continually kind of color spill reduction. I don't like to go too high with it. I think that usually is pretty good with the settings that it is. And that's about good with me. Then we are going to go here, and I'm going to make the picture a little bit bigger. Move the camera over here for my case, and then as well just bring it down. And you're set. There you are. Now, if you're having any issues with this, you can see that there is still kind of the coloring in the corners here. I might be able to go over to here a little bit better. And as you can see, there's still some there. What you can do for that is switch it over, filters, and then we're going to bring the similarity up a little bit to this. And there you are. And we can do a little bit more. See, the main thing, you're just trying not to lose your shirt, basically. If you have the same color, kind of the same color of it, you can lose yourself to it. I am kind of losing this shirt here, but that's okay. And that's about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. I will be leaving the links for the green screen that I have, as well as the kind of higher level ones. I'll also be leaving a link for the ring light that I use every time here as well. And then you're set. Feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and we're coming at you with another video here shortly. Peace.